Is your Facebook account really safe? Hackers today use advanced tricks, data leaks, phishing, and fake login pages to steal accounts. But the good news is, you can fully lock your Facebook with a few simple settings. In this video, I'll show you how to secure your Facebook account step by step, so no one can hack or access it without your permission. Step 1. Use a strong, unique password. Go to Settings and Privacy, Password and Security, change password. Use a strong password with capital letters, small letters, numbers, symbols. Avoid using your name, date of birth, 123456, password QWERTY. Pro tip: use a password manager like Bitwarden or Google Password Manager so you don't forget it. Step 2. Turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA. 2FA is the strongest security layer. Go to Password and Security, two-factor authentication. Choose Authentication app, Google Authenticator, Authy. Avoid SMS because SIM cards can be cloned. Even if someone gets your password, they cannot log in without the code. Step 3. Enable login alerts. This tells you instantly if someone tries to log in. Go to Security Alerts. Turn on alerts via simple notification, email, messenger. If someone attempts to log in, you get notified immediately. Step 4. Review and remove unknown devices. Go to Password and Security, where you're logged in. Check all active sessions. Remove unknown devices, unknown locations, old phones or PCs. Click Log out of all sessions if necessary. Step 5. Remove suspicious apps and websites. Old or unknown apps can access your Facebook. Go to Settings, Apps and Websites. Remove apps you don't use. Avoid logging into random games or websites with Login with Facebook. This stops third-party apps from leaking your data. Step 6. Make your profile more private. Change these settings. Who can see your future posts? Friends. Who can look you up using your phone number or email? Friends, only me. Profile and tagging options. Review tags. Limit who can tag you. Limit past posts to hide old public posts. This protects your personal information from strangers. Step 7. Lock your profile. Available in Indo-Pac regions. Go to your profile. 3 dots. Lock profile. This hides your photos, posts, and info from strangers and prevents full resolution downloads. Step 8. Enable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Open Messenger, go to Settings, Privacy and Safety. Turn on end-to-end encrypted chats. This ensures only you and the other person can read your messages. Step 9. Avoid phishing links. Hackers trap users with messages like, "Your account will be disabled. Verify now." "Your page violated community guidelines. Click here to get verification badge." Never enter your email password on external pages. Always check the URL. It must be facebook.com. Step 10. Never share codes. No one from Facebook will ever ask for your 6-digit login code, recovery codes, password. If anyone asks, it's 100% a scam. Final security checklist. Your account should now have strong password, two-factor authentication, login alerts, clean active sessions, no suspicious apps, private profile, locked profile, secure messenger, no phishing risks. If this video helped you secure your Facebook account, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more digital safety guides. Comment below if you want a video on how to secure Instagram, WhatsApp, or Gmail as well.